Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. I'm very thrilled to stand here before you guys. Thank you. So, my name is Muhammad Fajar Setiawan with my last ID number is 1003. As you can see here, I'm from the University of Jember and I'm from the Faculty of Food Technology. So, in this occasion, I will explain and present about the journal that I've resumed titled The Effect of Glycerol and Beeswax Addition in Edible Film Packaging on Weight Loss of Banten Sapodilla Fruit. In this presentation, there are 4 points that I will explain. The first part is the introduction, the second part is the methodology, and the third part is the most important part, and make sure to pay attention in this part, which is the result and discussion part. And the last but not least is the conclusion. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into my presentation. So the first part is the introduction. This study explores the use of edible films made from cassava field starch to extend the shelf life of sapodilla fruit. The research aims to develop an optimal formulation by incorporating glycerol as a plasticizer and beeswax as a hydrophobic agent. The goal is to create an environmentally friendly packaging solution that reduces fruit weight loss and maintain its quality. Okay, that's for the introduction. Jumping into the next part, which is the methodology. The research process involved in preparing cassava peel starch, creating starch solution with varying concentration of 0.75% up to 1.25%, and beeswax start from 1% to 3%. So films were cast and dried, then used to coat sapodilla fruits by dipping, and the effectiveness of the coating was assessed by measuring fruit weight loss daily over 7-day period. Okay, as I said before, we are going to the third part, which is the result and discussion. Pay attention guys. So the result and discussion talk about the edible coatings significantly reduced weight loss in sapodilla fruits compared to uncoated controls. As you can see here in the graphic, firstly I want to apologize because the figure 1 is still in Bahasa. I haven't translated in English yet, but I will still explain to you guys the graphic in English. So as you can see, the higher glycerol content will increase weight loss due to its hydrophilic nature, while in the second figure, the higher beeswax concentration decreased weight loss by improving moisture barrier properties. So the optimal formulation is 0.75 glycerol, which is the lowest concentration of glycerol, and 3% of beeswax, resulting in 3.3% weight loss over 7 days compared to 5.32% for the uncoated controls. So the coated fruit maintained its quality for 5 days versus 2 to 3 days for uncoated controls. And then coming to the last but not least is the conclusion. So the study concludes that the optimal combination for minimizing weight loss in sapodilla fruits is 0.75 glycerol, which is the lowest concentration of glycerol, and 3% of beeswax, which is the highest percentage of beeswax, resulting in weight loss of 3.3% over 7 days. Okay, that is sadly the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for the opportunity and attention. Again, I'm very grateful to be here explaining these things to you guys. I hope it will be functional one day, and I'm so sorry if I did anything wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.